Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel Money Steps. So today is 2024 February 29, which is the last day of February 2024. So today we'll cover nine stocks, which is stock picked by research houses. So let's starting with the disclaimers. The stock mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying or selling call for the viewer subscriber. Let's starting with overnight US market. We can see the overnight US market is pretty flat recently because they are waiting for the what they call the inflation data in the US. So they are waiting for the inflation data tonight. So it will be released by tonight. So which is because earlier on the last release on the inflation data is beating the forecast, which is higher than expected, which is due to the rentals in the US. So it bring up the inflation figures right there. So there are many reasons that the inflation will be staying relatively high level. So the main reason would be the trade war by the US and China. There are a lot of what they call the bar in between the trade. So it brings up the price in the goods and services. So in US we don't see much news right there because the three indexes is trading flat. Nikkei hit new high after topping 1989 peak. So you can see, so S&P is waiting for the inflation data tonight. There is nothing much news right over there. So the index is trading flat. So we can see the overnight China and Hong Kong market starting to pull back. So we can see other indexes is also pulling back because it's waiting for the inflation data tonight. See whether the inflations will stay in high level or not. So as long as the inflation data come out higher than expected, I would say the potentially the market will stay flat or slightly lower rather there because it will pausing the Federal Reserve to bring down the interest rate. Okay, so that's what the market concerned about. Let's have a look on the investing.com pressure on the inflation jitters. Yeah, nothing much changes. Let's have a look on the US indexes, Nasdaq. So as I said, it's trading flat right over there. So it's trading flat overnight, 0.5% drop. So anyhow, the index is still trading at above of the 20-day moving average and the uptrend line. I would say we can see there's they are trading sideways for the indexes from this level below 1600 level. So we will need to monitor whether the index able to stand above 16,000 or not. Okay, so let's have a look on the second indexes, which is S&P 500. Pretty much the same. S&P 500 trading sideways as well, dropped by 8 points, trading above 5,000 level, trading sideways for the 5 days. Nothing much special, it's on the uptrend. Dow Jones, similar condition as well, trading sideways for the 5 days. So it's now trading at 38,900 plus. See whether it can stand above 39,000 or not. Okay, so we have a look on the Hang Seng Index, China's Hang Seng Index. So there are multiple lines right over here. We can have a look on the pink color line here. We can draw a downtrend line here. So overnight is already testing for the downtrend line. That's why it's pulling back. Anyhow, it's still whenever it pulling back, I would say it's investing timing for the long-term investors. So you can invest for long-term for the China and Hong Kong markets at this moment. And we have a look on the KLCI. KLCI is also pulling back overnight after rallying 2 days ago. So overnight dropping by 13 points. Anyhow, the index is still on the uptrend, trading above the uptrending lines and the 20-day moving average. I would say we can draw a trading box right over there. It has been trading sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 days right over there. So I can draw a rectangle trading box right over here. So we may expecting the market will be trading within the range of 1560 to 1540, which is 20 points range. 1540, 1560, 20 point range. See whether the trending will go which way. Okay. So I would say it's pretty much similar to the US market as well. US market is trending sideways. So if the inflation data deliver an beating the expectations higher than expectations, I would say it will be pulling back slightly right over there. Anyhow, the overall markets in the US, Malaysia market is on the uptrending. Okay. So let's have a look on the stock pick by the research houses. The first one will be picked by MBank, which is Masing. Masing has been picked recently, I think last few days. So you can check back the last few days, 2 days. Probably yesterday already mentioned for these stocks. So the Masing closing at 97 cents. Stop loss level given is 89 cent level. 89 cent is somewhere around how many cent? 8 cent, right? 8 cent. 8 cent is acceptable, which is around 9% level, stop loss level. I would say if you are trading for this stock, I would suggesting waiting for the pullback first. Waiting for the pullback. So the target given will be 110 and 120. Let's zoom out a little bit. Maybe we can have a look on the weekly charting. So we can see that 110 and 120 pretty much back into the April 2021, which is nearly 2 years ago, and back into the October 2020 level. So you can see the curve is right over here. It's pretty much like a U curve, right? And the trending for the recently past 9 months or 1 year is moving up trending, which is very healthy for the property stocks. So this one consider a nice pick. I would say goes to another research houses, which is by CGS Ecovo. Okay, overnight closing at 131. Stop loss level given is 120. The target given would be there are 3 target given: 140, 144 and 149 level, which is the blue lines right over there. This one is pretty much standard of the support resistance. So the next stock pick would be Haptech. Haptech already picked by, I would say, picked by Maybank, wasn't Maybank early on? Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I did mention this stock is potential as well. So they are calling for the swing play and the reboundings from the sideways consolidations, and the volume is coming in. So overnight closing is 39 cent level, and the stop loss level given is 3.4 I need to break it lower. 3.4, which seems to be too large to me. If you want to trade for the Haptech, you may check back my yesterday live market updates. So I would say I was suggesting to use Maybank trading plan instead of CGS trading plan. There's no prejudice, but the stop loss level given is far larger than the 10%. I would not suggesting to use this type of planning. Okay. Anyhow, the target given would be 42, 46 and 48.5, which is 3 level right here, the blue line. I will share the chartings right in after the sessions of the live market updates. So the next topic covered by Maybank Investment Bank will be Gas Malaysia. Gas Malaysia Berhad. So overnight closing is 341. There's a swing right over there. It's pretty much like a cup with handle formations. So we have a look on the stop loss level given would be 327, which is acceptable around 8%. I would say stop loss level is around 8%. And the target given would be, I need to have a look on the weekly chart. Target given would be 357 and 382. So 357 and 382. So 357 will be a previous high level, which is acceptable. Maybe you can adjust it to slightly higher 360 level. So the round figure is right over there. The curve, U curve, seems to be pretty much healthy at this moment. I mean, over the short term, the trending is moving upside. And the second target would be need to be more patient right over there. Okay. So this one, okay, acceptable as well. And next stock picks will be GSL system. So we come back to the daily chart. So you can see that overall the trending has been trading sideways for how long? I would say back into October 2022. So the previous is already below this range of the low level, would be below 68 cent level. I would say, I was suggesting you will be standing above 68 cent or 69 cent above, then you come back to the next resistance support level at 7.3 and 81 cent, the target given by the Maybank Investment Bank. So stop loss level given would be 6.5. Anyhow, I don't like downtrend stock. Again, I don't like this type of downtrend stocks. If you want to trade this trading plan, so you must stick to their trading plan. So whenever it comes to the 615, you need to cut loss. Okay. So anyhow, we do have a lot of stocks being covered. You can choose other stocks other than this one. So the next stock pick will be QES. QES Group Berhad. So I make it higher for this one. Overnight closing is 5.2 level. So it's on the Dow trending as well. Again, I don't like Dow trending stocks. Anyhow, I will brief on it for their stock pick, Maybank Investment Bank. So potentially they are calling for buy is because of the swing and the bounce off for the support level. So 5.2 overnight closing, stop loss level given is 48 cent. So and the target given is 5.7 and 6.3, pretty much standard support and resistance level. So we go ahead for the next research houses stock pick, which is by UOB. Jacobs overnight closing 7.3, stop loss level given is 6.9 level, and the target given is 82 cent, 84 cent half. They are calling for this because of the swing play and the price actions right there. So because it's breakout for this range of the trading, sideways trading, so it's swing above with a volume coming in. So anyhow, I don't like this style of stock as well. If you like it, you can stick to their trading plan as well. So the next stock big cover by them would be Shunzhen. Overnight closing 30 cents, stop loss level given is 26 cents, which is larger than 10% level, which is I think around 12% stop loss level, 12 to 13%, and the target given will be 3.7 and 3.9, which is pretty much far away. With this type of trending, I don't quite like because it's too volatile. So you can see that it's climbing fierce right over here, and suddenly it pump down. You can see it takes 2 months to climbing from the bottom, and then it jump off the cliff within 1 to 2 weeks times. So it's very dangerous for these type of stocks. I would say it seems to be there is fun behind it. Okay, that's why the price is so volatile. So the last stock pick covered by today will be Advanced-Con. So it mentioned technical buy on breakout 315, meaning that the price need to break this level 3.5. Only a trader can buy in for these stocks. They're suggesting for this type of trending plan. So overnight closing 29.5, meaning there are 2 cent gaps right over there. So it need to have a trading volume to break 3.5. Maybe purchase price will be somewhere around 3.2. If you are using for the buy stop limit order in the Maybank platform, you can use it. So you no need to monitor for the price to move it to break it. From there, the stop loss level given would be 2.6.5. The stop loss level given is far larger than 10%. Again, I would not suggesting to use this type of trading plan because you are carrying high risks from there. Okay. So the target given will be 3.6.5 and 3.8.5. Again, today let's have a look what the best stop it in my favorite. I would say Massing, yes, is one of it, and Haptic is one of it. So Massing, Haptic, yeah, these two will be my favorite for today among those stock picked by the research houses. So if you want to open a share investment account, you can check in the description. There's a link to open account. The video will guide you through to register your account in Maybank to your website, which is reliable platform to investor. Do not go to the social media, join a WhatsApp group, Telegram groups. They are promoting some, downloading some platform right over there, apps over there. So they are main potentially they are scamming for your money. OK， 如果有兴趣开户口的，可以在 description 下面找到我的连接视频，去教你怎样去 Maybank to You 开启你的户口了哈。有什么东西我们也可以通过 WhatsApp 联系，在 description 找到我的连接。So that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.